Hi everyone, welcome to the video. We are going to solve Divisor game. In this question there are two persons, Alice and Bob. They will play optimally a game one by one with Alice starting the game. So there will be a number n in the input, okay? And we have to do two operations. First, we'll choose any number, any natural number x, okay? Any natural number x which is less than the n, which is strictly less than n, okay? And that number x should be perfect divisor of this number n, input n, okay? So it should be a natural number between 0 and n, less than n, and apart from that it should perfectly divide number n, okay? And after that we'll replace n with n minus x. So in this question you will keep doing that. If a player cannot make a move further, let's say after all the operations the number became 1. Now there's no natural number smaller than 1, okay? So you cannot take any natural number further which will replace and do the above operations. In that case you will be in a stalemate position and you won't be able to make a move and you will lose the game. So if Alice wins the game, will return true. If Bob wins the game, will return false. Now look at examples. Initially we have n equals to 2. Let's say Alice started the game and he took 1, x as 1, which is between 0 and 2. Okay. Now 1 also divides n completely, which is 2. Now n minus x will become 2 minus 1, 1. Now Bob will become in a stalemate situation such that he won't be able to choose any number smaller than 1 and greater than 0. So Bob loses and Alice wins the game. We return. However, in example 2, the value of n is 3. So when Alice starts the game, chooses 1, the number becomes 2. Then Bob plays, he chooses 1, number becomes 1. Now Alice will be in a stalemate situation. He won't be able to choose any number smaller than n, current n, and greater than 0. Okay, which can replace the number n. So they should ring a bell in your head that in order for Alice to win the game, Alice must receive even number, must receive current even number, and should return odd number. Alice should receive even number, must send odd number for Bob. However, in the case when Alice himself receives odd number, he will lose the game. So this question is nothing more just checking whether the input number is even or not. If the input number is even, since Alice starts the game first, if the input number n is even, then definitely Alice will win. Alice will win. However, if the input number n or the starting number n is odd, then Alice won't be able to send back odd number to Bob and he will lose the game. That is it. Just a single condition checking if the input number n is even or not. So as you can see, it does the job pretty effortlessly in very less time since it's just a one-liner solution. So I hope you enjoyed the video. I learned a new concept. Thank you. Have a nice day.